Precej logično je, da se po audiju Q4 e-tron sportback in škodi enyaqu zgodil tudi kupejevski ID.4. ID.5 bo sicer res dražji, a je razlika v ceni precej sprejemljiva, sploh če vemo, da se pri ID.5 ne bo plačalo samo za obliko.
Yes, exactly. They get the SUV styling and the coupe styling for it. They will have also extra equipment to it, like for example the bigger inch wheels, so they always start with 19-inch wheels. The GTX version even have 20-inch wheels. They will have a nice front and rear bumper to it. They will have bi-color concept, and also in addition, for example, in the interior of the car, they will have a 12-inch display.
In zakaj se to naštevamo? Preprosto zato, ker je to pravzaprav tudi vse, kar je drugačnega od ne zgolj ID.4, temveč tudi od ostalih koncernskih električnih avtomobilov. To pomeni, da so platforma, baterije in zmogljivost elektromotorja enake oziroma že poznane. A čisto enak vsem ostalim koncernskim avtomobilom pa ID.5 vseeno ni. Je začetnik nekaterih novih tehnologij, pri katerih velja izpostaviti pomoč pri prehitevanju.
For example, we show here the Travel Assist 2.5 with swarm data. So that's an automatic overtaking process which the car leads you to. So very easy of use. So a nice feature which is now here new in the ID.5, but also is coming out in the other cars. And also we have the plug and charge connectivity.
Funkcija priključi in polni pa je nekaj, kar si kupci električnih avtomobilov želijo že dolgo, saj bo prihranila marsikatero stresno situacijo.
Yes, that's very convenient for the customer. So if you are approaching, for example, a charging station, then the car also connects to the charging station itself. So it's pre-installed, so it's very easy, and you're actually saving some time. When you plug in the cable, then the charging process automatically begins.